Solution for question 3. To find impairment loss in 2015, carrying amount will be greater than recoverable amount. Accumulated depreciation is 120,000 ringgit calculated as 200,000 divided by 5 years useful life and times with 3 years use. Therefore, carrying amount calculated at cost of 200,000 ringgit minus with accumulated depreciation equal to 80,000 ringgit. Next, to find recoverable amount, we must compare fair value minus cost to sell versus value in use, whichever is higher. Fair value minus cost to sell is 70,000 ringgit stated in question. Value in use need to calculate for 2016 and 2017 by referring cash inflow and present value table. For 2016, 30,000 ringgit cash inflow times with 0.893 interest. For 2017, 43,000 ringgit cash inflow times with 0.797 interest. Thus, the total value in use is 61,061 ringgit. Since fair value minus cost to sell is higher than value in use, the RA will be at 70,000 ringgit. Therefore, impairment loss will be at 10,000 ringgit since carrying amount is greater than recoverable amount.
In 2016, accumulated depreciation is 35,000 calculated as 70,000 divided by remaining useful life of 2 years. The carrying amount with impairment loss is 35,000 calculated as 70,000 minus with accumulated depreciation. Calculate carrying amount with the impairment loss. Accumulated depreciation is 160,000 calculated as 200,000 divided by useful life of 5 years times with 4 years use. The carrying amount is 40,000 calculated as 200,000 minus with accumulated depreciation. Next, reversal impairment loss is possible when recoverable amount is more than carrying amount. So in this case, the recoverable amount is 90,000 while carrying amount is 35,000. Thus, recoverable amount is more than carrying amount. Therefore, reversal limit is 5,000, where the carrying amount with impairment loss is minus with carrying amount without the impairment loss. The amount 5,000 will transfer under income at SOPL. The journal entry is debit accumulated impairment loss 10,000, credit reversal impairment loss 5,000, and credit accumulated depreciation 5,000.
Statement of financial position. In 2015, the cost of machine is 200,000. For the accumulated depreciation is 120,000. And for the accumulated impairment loss is 10,000. The total is 70,000. In 2016, the cost of machine is 200,000. For the accumulated depreciation is 155,000. It comes from 120,000 plus 35,000. And for the accumulated impairment loss is 5,000. The total is 40,000.
Statement of profit and loss. For statement profit and loss in 2015, we just have expenses, which are impairment loss of the machine, RM 10,000 ringgit, and depreciation of the machine, RM 40,000 ringgit. The statement of profit and loss for 2016, the income is reversal of impairment loss for the machine with the amount 5,000 ringgit. And the expenses is depreciation of the machine with the amount 35,000 ringgit.